This is behind the scenes of the bubble wrap video.
Guys, I'm playing as Nisha in this video. I wonder if they're going to be able to figure it out. Present.
Oh, wait, hang on. Maybe you can't do it.
Oh, fuck, now I'm scared.
Yeah. That's good.
I'm so hot in here. Goodbye, everyone. It's nice knowing you.
Set there, video.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ouch, you wrap me.
Nearly final scene.
Oh, I hope so. Is it good?
Yeah. My assistant doesn't do much yet, but he's learning. He's watching actually. It's like work experience.
I wish I could sleep on the job.
Yeah. Knowing you the talent.
And that's a
We're
wrap.
done.
Yeah, that took way too long. And now I'm very mad because I'm hungry.
Guys, let us know what you think of these behind the scene videos.
Yeah, do you guys
want
wanna?
to do more?
Yeah,
Let us know in the comments. Bye.